Welcome to the Perfect Laboratory Management System. This application helps laboratories manage the full testing process in one place. You can register patients, create laboratory requests, add tests, track specimens, enter results, prepare conclusions, manage billing, print reports, send reports by email or SMS, and allow patients to view their results through the patient portal. The goal is simple. Every request should be easy to find, every result should be clearly recorded, and every report should be ready to share when the laboratory work is complete. Opening the laboratory page. On the laboratory page, the screen is divided into two main areas. On the left side, you can see the laboratory work lists. These include appointments, lab requests, and tasks. This area helps you quickly find what needs attention. On the right side, you work on the selected laboratory request. This is where you enter request details, add specimens, add tests, enter results, upload files, write conclusions, review billing, and print or send the report. At the top, there is also a shortcut menu for other laboratory areas, such as all requests, tests, patients, templates, inventory, billing, appointments, devices, reports, tasks, and email templates. Closing. That is the basic workflow in the Perfect Laboratory Management System. Start with a patient and a laboratory request. Add specimens and tests. Enter the results manually, or receive them from a connected analyzer. Add a clear conclusion. Review, billing, and dispense reagents if needed. Then print, email, SMS, or share the report through the patient portal. By keeping the full workflow in one system, the laboratory can work faster, reduce errors, keep better records, and give patients and healthcare providers easier access to their results.